A pre-owned 2013 INFINITI QX56. 2013 INFINITI QX56. Power, luxury, and presence own the road. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This INFINITI has less than 94,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Meet the 2013 INFINITI QX56, a true road hog with a powerful 5.6L V8 engine delivering 400 HP and 413 lb-ft of torque. This beast makes highway driving feel like flying. Packed with factory features, it offers power windows, locks, mirrors, and seats, because convenience is key. The Black Obsidian exterior turns heads, while the Graphite leather interior ensures ultimate comfort, like sitting on a cloud. With under 94K miles, less than 8K per year, this SUV has barely stretched its legs. Fuel efficiency? 14 mpg city, 20 mpg highway, strong for a full-size luxury SUV. Plus, it comes with a clean Carfax, so no surprises. Don't wait. Stop by and test drive this beauty today. Your daily drive will never be the same. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.